Want a simple way to store files online and access them from almost anywhere? In this guide, I'll show you how to use Mega, from creating an account and uploading files to downloading, organizing, and sharing them. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Mega and choose the option to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your account details and complete the verification steps. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your cloud drive, where your files and folders are managed. To upload something, open your cloud drive and look for the upload option. You can usually choose individual files or upload an entire folder. Select what you need from your computer and wait for the upload to finish. Once it's done, the file will appear in your Mega storage. Keeping your files organized makes Mega much easier to use. Create a new folder, give it a clear name, and move related files inside. For example, you could have separate folders for documents, videos, photos, or work projects. A little organization goes a long way. Need a file back on your computer? Just select the file or folder and choose the download option. Mega will prepare the download, and depending on the browser and file size, it may take a little time. For larger folders, the download may be packaged before it reaches your computer. Mega also makes sharing files pretty straightforward. Select a file or folder and choose the sharing or link option. You can generate a link and send it to someone else. Before sharing, check the available link and access settings carefully, especially when the files contain private information. Finally, take a moment to protect your account. Use a strong, unique password, keep your recovery information somewhere safe, and enable two-factor authentication if it's available for your account. Also, only share links with people you trust, so a few simple precautions can help keep your cloud files safer, and that's the basic Mega workflow. You can upload files, organize them into folders, download them whenever you need them, and share selected files with others. Yeah, once you get familiar with the interface, it's pretty easy to manage your cloud storage.